learn about ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a self-contained area composed of all different organisms living in it and interacting with each other, and as well as interacting with physical conditions, that is sunlight, air, water, soil, climatic factors, etc. prevailing in area. Forest ecosystem. In a forest, like any other ecosystem, the general food chain of relationship among the organizations is food producers and food consumers. Plants produce their own food through photosynthesis and therefore categorized as self-producers, more technically called as autotrophs. Primary consumers means direct plant eaters, example deer and rabbits, etc. Secondary consumers, which capture primary consumers and eat them, example lion eating deer. Let's move on to the next topic, that is components of ecosystem. Biotic components. The living components like plants, animals and microorganisms is called biotic components. Coming to the second one, abiotic components. Several non-living components like sunlight, air, water, etc. collectively called as abiotic components. So let's learn in detail about biotic components. It consists of following sequence of trophic levels. Trophic level 1, green plants. This consists of trees, bushes, etc. and these are the starting point for all life in ecosystem. Trophic level 2, plant eating animals. Here the animals directly consume the plants, example deer eating grass. Trophic level 3, flesh eating animals, eating the primary consumers, example lion eating deer. Trophic level 4, second rank flesh eaters. These animals eat the secondary consumers and called as tertiary consumers. So let's move on to the next topic, abiotic components, the non-living things. These components in ecosystem consist of following. Sunlight, it is used for production of food in green plants by photosynthesis in ecosystem. Air, it is used to provide oxygen to plants and animals for respiration. CO2 for plants for photosynthesis. Water, it is used for animals for drinking. Temperature, it influences the body functions of plants and animals living in that region. Soil, soil contains water and minerals, nutrition required for plants. Let's move on to the next topic, the scavengers. Scavengers feed on dead animal and plant material, example crows, some insects and kites. Detritivores. Detritivores consume the remains left by scavengers, example earthworms, slugs and millipedes. Decomposers. Decomposers consume the obtain nutrition by absorbing nutrients that result from breaking down of dead organic matter, example bacteria, fungi and protists. Let's move on to the next topic, that is the food chains. The food chain is a linear sequence of organisms in which each organism eats the lower member and it is eaten by itself, eaten by next higher member. The diagram given above depicts a food chain involving 5 organisms representing 5 tropical levels starting from a green plant at bottom. Food webs. Food webs is a network of several interconnecting food chains. Advantages of food webs. The food webs permit alternative foods. This ensures a better chance of survival of an organism. Let's move on to the next topic, that is food pyramid. A food pyramid is a representation of the optimal number of servings to be eaten each day from each of basic food groups. Let's go on to the next topic, interdependence between organisms. Symbiosis. In this interaction, both interactions are benefited. Example lichens. Plants need the help of animals for pollinating their flowers and dispersing their seeds. The second one is parasitism. In this interaction, one partner has benefit and other has loss. Example plasmodium. The third one is Predation. A predator catches and kills other organisms for food. Predation is nature's way of transferring energy. Example, tiger eating deer is good example for predator. Let's move on to the next topic, the flora and fauna of forest ecosystem. Flora. Flora means plants naturally occurring in a particular area. Fauna. Fauna means animals naturally occurring in a particular living area. There are different kinds of forests of India, each with its own characteristics, life forms. For example, tropical rainforest. Location at western coast of India and northeast Himalayas. In that, flora, example, bamboos, ferns and evergreen trees. In fauna, it will be example, snakes, monkeys and snails. So thereby we completed this chapter. Thank you.